Today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Elementor double menu error. If you've been noticing two menus appearing on your site when there should only be one, this quick fix will solve that issue for you. Let's dive right in and get your site back to normal. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, open your browser, and navigate to your site's admin login page. Once you've entered your credentials and signed in, you'll be at the main dashboard where you can access all of your site's settings and configurations. This is where we'll start making the necessary changes to resolve the double menu problem. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar menu. This is where all your WordPress tools and features are organized. Locate and click on Elementor in that left sidebar. This will open up Elementor's main settings area, giving you access to various options and controls specific to the Elementor page builder. The Elementor menu contains everything you need to manage how the builder functions on your site. After clicking on Elementor, you'll see a submenu appear with several options. From this submenu, select Tools. This section is specifically designed for troubleshooting and maintenance tasks related to Elementor. The Tools area contains various utilities that help you manage cached files, clear data, and resolve common issues that might arise with the page builder. Once you're in the Tools section, you'll be viewing the General tab by default. This is exactly where we need to be. Here you'll find several maintenance options, but the one we're interested in is labeled Clear Files and Data. Go ahead and click the Clear Files and Data button. This action will remove any cached or stored data that might be causing conflicts, including the issue that's creating the duplicate menu on your site. Elementor sometimes stores outdated information that can interfere with how your menus display, and clearing this data forces the system to rebuild everything fresh. After clicking that button, you might notice a brief moment while the system processes the request and clears out all the stored files. This is completely normal, so just give it a second to complete. Once the clearing process is finished, the final step is to click Save Changes to ensure all your actions are properly recorded and applied to your site. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the cached data that was causing your Elementor double menu error. Your site should now display just one menu as intended, without any duplicates appearing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.